welcome back everyone. So in this particular topic, we are going to talk more about the specialty category of learning path and certification Microsoft offers. So until now, we have explored more about the fundamentals and the role-based certification and learning journeys. Now, there is a third category which does not typically represent any specific level. So putting a tag of L2, L3, or maybe L4 is not ideally official for it. So that's the reason I prefer to call it level N. There is no specific level to it, but it is in itself called as specialty certification. And what exactly is it? So this particular specialty tag that it carries, what makes this particular tag a bit unique in nature? So the specialty certifications are designed for experienced professionals who wants to deep dive into niche technical areas that Microsoft has to offer in their product suite or solution suite. They typically require prior hands-on experience, and this is very much contextually role-based working skill. So as of 2025, there are 3 particular specialty certifications or learning paths that Microsoft offers. It could be more in the days to come, but it is usually around this number. And the reason is these are very, very niche zones of certification. Microsoft mostly has all the other certifications mapped to their broader category of product suite. So people with some kind of special focused domain work scope, they aspire for the specialty certifications. Officially, there is no prerequisite for this particular certification that Microsoft offers in specialty tag, but it is recommended to have at least some associate or to an expert, to an extent, I'll say expert level certification in few zones for you to be very comfortably navigating and possessing this batch of specialty. So as of 2025, as we know, the 3 certification journeys or learning journeys that Microsoft offers under specialty is Azure for SAP workloads. This is more to do with your SAP systems. The second one is Azure Cosmos DB Developer. That's also a very niche, I'll say, batch and niche certification to possess. And third is Azure Virtual Desktop. So this typically explores the areas of IoT or AI or SAP, and hence they are labeled as specialty. So that's I'll say a very narrow and very vertically deep subject. It's a highly focused zone of work, and hence the certification makes this learning path a bit more deep in terms of knowledge depth, whoever holds it. So if you see, as of May 2025, Microsoft has cataloged only this. I typically have seen evolution in this certification tag specialty, and it was a bit different a couple of years before. It is 3 now. It may become more, but do keep in mind, these are some very uniquely crafted learning path certifications, and they are meant only for majorly for those people who are delivering these kind of products or working on these products, solutions across the organization or across the industry, very comfortable and hands-on. So this is that kind of zoned role niche or special certification which makes it unique in design. So now how to see it across in the Microsoft Learn portal and how to find it? Typically you come across the filters, and then the first thing you will find is your credential type. In the credential type you'll have certification, and you have to select for the role specialty. Now when you apply, as per the date of selection, you'll see the ones which are applicable, and this are the 3 that we see now. So if I select let's say the virtual desktop, the other one that we spoke is Azure Cosmos, and the third one is SAP for SAP workload. So let me pick up the Azure for SAP workload specialty. Once you enter there, you see the batch in itself has a different format design, which is called as Microsoft Certified Specialty Certification. And this is to a major extent considered to be an intermediate level 2 category of certification, but that is not necessary, so it's a more role specific niche, and hence I want to put it that way. This also goes through the role lineup of solution architecting, so that's the role family, and it also goes through a product upgrade and revision very frequently, hence the renewal is also due almost every year. So with that, you will have a broader view of everything that the specialty has to offer. You will have the same format of preparation of learning modules. You will have the same format of your practice exam, and then you will have the same format of how your exam looks like before you actually go ahead and book it. So with that, the main consideration that I will want you to keep in your head is this particular specialty certification is a big differentiator of people who own it, that they have been delivering solutions around this, and it commands much more practical hands-on control for you to successfully complete this learning path and get eventually successfully certified with a specialty badge in your kitty. Let's move on to the next topic. See you there.